Hello everyone, so today in this video I am going to share how to use Google Pay. So firstly open the app. Now here you can see a add bank account option. So add your bank account, search the bank and then select the SIM and tap on continue. Okay, so tap on allow and here you can see a message. So you have successfully added your account number to Google Pay UPI app. Okay, so now tap on accept. Now so here you can see many options like new payment, bills, recharge. So if you want to make payment of any bill, then just tap on this, and here you can see electricity, mobile recharge, DTH, Google Pay, gas cylinder. So you can make payment of these. Okay, so now you can recharge. Now scroll down and you can see show transaction history. So tap on it to show your transaction history. Now you can make your regular payments. Okay, so this is how you can use Google Pay. Thank you for watching.